Hello YouTube. It's not often that I show how I build one of my models, but I'm going to show you today. After I got a request to show how I made one of my creations that was rather unique, I thought I'd oblige. Specifically, Hero Factory Breakout Perfect Combo for Evo and Toxic Reaper, as you can see here. This one is unique in the body construction. You'll see how that's unique very soon. To start with, just going to take off the limbs, seeing as those are easy enough to figure out. Arms, legs, very simple. And here's the interesting part, the body, and how it's all held together. The back part is two shoulder-mounted green toxic stuff throwers. The feet of Toxic Reaper, seeing as there wasn't very much else in choices to put them. Some stuff. There's the head, connected like so. And now the interesting part, how it's all held together. Green tubes just connect into these socket joint pieces, go through the two bodies, and back into the bottom of the green tube, or the green canister things. I'm sure that you can figure the rest of it out.